All right, this video has been requested. A lot of people want to know how to convert back. So if we go into Trust Wallet, you can see that my portfolio has grown a bit since the last video, but I actually bought this Lab Finance token and I'm gonna get rid of it. You would use the same process for CatGirl, etc. So I'll show you what I'm going to do. First, I'm gonna click on it. I'm gonna click here, I'm gonna view on CoinMarketCap. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy the address just to make sure I have it. I may not need to do that, but for safety purposes. Then I'm gonna go to Pancake Swap, connect the Trust Wallet. Once it's connected, I'm gonna go to Trade. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to do trade from Labo, or if I paste the address like I just did, you'll see pop up. And what I'm gonna do is just click max, take that back to the BNB. Make sure that it's Binance Smart Chain. There we go. So yeah, BNB, it's there. I guess just need to refresh for a second. What I'm gonna do is I'm going to click Enable Labo, confirm that. Back to the browser. It's enabling, so we'll give it a second. Okay, cool. I'll refresh this just to make sure. And we'll go ahead and we'll swap it again. We're going to BNB. Connect the wallet again. Sometimes this happens. Convert the max amount. Insufficient liquidity for this trade. So what we may need to do is switch to, I know gas fees are crazy right now. Let's go back to 1%. So this is going to go from this to 1 BNB. Swap anyway. The swap has price, okay. Click there. All right, cool. It's going to go back to here, confirm it. All right, so that's going through. We go back to the browser. Let's go back to Pancake Swap. I know this is kind of a pain in the ass right now, so if you're having the same problems, you can see what's going on. Let's go back into Trust Wallet just to make sure. So actually we can see it went through. So there you go, it converted actually. So actually I didn't do that much, but it went through. The Labo's gone, now it's back in the Smart Chain. What I can do with the Smart Chain if I wanted to is I could swap it to regular BNB, and then if I did that, what I would do is go back to my regular BNB right here. So what I could do with this is I could send this somewhere. What I usually do is I send it to crypto.com or another address, or to CRO, and then back into USD if I needed to. But the best thing to do would be to convert to BNB. You can also convert BNB to other things in Trust Wallet. An example here is if you click on the DEX and say we want to get Tether stablecoin, we're going to get the Binance Peg Tether here. What we would do is we would just click here, click 100%, and now you have that converted, and you can send this USDT to KuCoin, wherever, convert back out to your bank account, or you actually can just cash out depending on what you want to do. But hopefully this video was helpful, and thank you for watching.